Stop saying 我觉得 for everything. While it is correct, when you use too much, make your Chinese sound repetitive and flat. In Taiwan, we use different phrases to match with the vibe. Hi, I'm Iris. Welcome to 2 Minute Mandarin. How Mandarin is spoken in Taiwan. Here are 3 ways to share your opinion like a pro. When you are in a meeting or you want to sound more firm or professional, swap it for 我认为. It means I believe or it's my opinion that something. Let's see one example. 我认为这个计划很有潜力. The next one, 对我来说. If you are sharing a personal feeling rather than a hard fact, use 对我来说. It means for me or to me. It sounds much more nature in casual conversation. 对我来说，这杯珍奶太甜了. This makes your opinion sound less like judgment and more like a personal preference. The last one, 我倒觉得. What if you disagree with someone? Instead of saying you are wrong, use 我倒觉得. This little word 倒 acts as a softener, meaning actually I feel. Let's see an example. 这部电影很难看。会吗？我倒觉得还不错耶。Before you go, let's do a quick recap. 我认为，对我来说，我倒觉得。Next time, if you want to share an opinion, pick one of these 3. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Try to write a sentence with it. Bye!